If you're in Nigeria and you want to pay for Hostingo without confusion, this video will walk you through the process step by step. I'll show you how to choose your hosting plan, reach checkout, select a payment method, and complete your purchase as smoothly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Hostingo website. Once the site loads, take a moment to look through the hosting or domain options and choose the plan that fits your needs. Whether you're buying shared hosting, a domain, or another service, the process starts the same way. When you've found the plan you want, click Add to Cart. After that, you'll be taken to your cart or order summary. Here, double check everything before moving forward. Make sure the plan, billing period, and any extras are correct because this is the point where you can still make changes if needed. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Checkout. Now you'll be on the payment page. This is the most important part of the process because Hostingo will show you the available payment methods. Depending on your region and the options currently supported, you may see card payment, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, or even cryptocurrency options in some cases. For most users in Nigeria, the easiest method is usually a debit or credit card, especially if it supports international online payments. If you're using a card, select the card payment option and enter your card details carefully. That usually includes your card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing information if required. Make sure the information matches the details on your card and use a card that is enabled for international transactions. If your bank supports online foreign payments, that will make the process much easier. If you prefer an e-wallet like PayPal, Google Pay, or Apple Pay, select that option instead and follow the prompts to sign in and authorize the payment. Some users may also have access to cryptocurrency payment options for certain purchases, depending on what Hostingo currently supports. Always check the checkout page carefully because payment methods can change by region and over time. Before you click pay, take one more moment to review the total amount. Check for discounts, taxes, renewal pricing, and any add-ons that may have been included. This helps you avoid surprises later. When you're ready, click pay and wait for the transaction to process. If the payment goes through successfully, Hostingo will confirm your order and you'll receive access to your hosting or domain purchase. From there, you can continue setting up your website, connect your domain, and start building your project. If your card is declined, don't panic. The first thing to check is whether your card supports international online payments. You should also confirm that your balance is sufficient and that your bank hasn't blocked the transaction for security reasons. Sometimes simply trying another supported payment method can solve the issue, and that's it. That's how to pay for Hostingo in Nigeria. It's a simple process once you know where to click and which payment method to use. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.